Your new Bemis Independence Elevated Toilet Seat with the patented Snap-to-Secure installation system is quick and easy to install. Let's go through it step by step. Before purchasing your seat, be sure you know if your toilet is round or elongated so you get the correct size seat. Your seat will have 2 bushings on the mounting bolts, 2 Snap-to-Secure nuts, the installation tool, and the instruction sheet. Confirm the bushings are slid up to the base of the hinge riser and the hinge is properly nested in the hinge riser. After removing your current toilet seat, place your new seat on the toilet bowl. From underneath the bowl, lightly finger tighten both Snap-to-Secure nuts. Confirm that the seat is properly aligned on the bowl. Be sure that the hinges are properly nested in the hinge risers prior to final tightening. While holding the seat in place with one hand, use the installation tool to tighten the nuts until both installation heads snap off. Your new elevated seat is safely installed and will not loosen or wiggle with use. If you need to remove your new seat, use the installation tool or any 5/8" wrench to loosen the Snap-to-Secure nuts by turning them clockwise.